This is Mary. She just purchased a funeral plan with Getting Your Affairs in Order. She is meeting her close friend of 20 years to ask for her help. Hi, Mabel. I just received my funeral plan from Getting Your Affairs in Order. It comes with a really handy in case of emergency kit to use for my important documents. Catherine continued to tell her friend that the kit is a preparedness tool that assists you to store your important documents. It simplifies the retrieval of your crucial information and documents, making it easier to find the things you need. That's why I called you. Getting Your Affairs in Order recommends that a friend or family member knows where I store my in case of emergency kit. Would you be willing to do that for me and let my family know where it is if something happens to me? Of course I will, but only if you let me know how to get one too. Guess what? You can order one online at www.GettingYourAffairsinOrder.ca.